Dynamic translation, which was released in New York as a platform feature, is a service that removes language barriers by translating forms and activity streams in real time. It also accelerates the translation of knowledge base articles. When a user enters data, it is translated in real time, reducing incident resolution time. The same accelerated translation service makes knowledge base articles easier to share. Requesters, fulfillers, developers, and authors around the globe can communicate better when their data is transcribed into the user's preferred language. Let's see this in action. If the plugin Dynamic Translation is activated and set up, and you have the user role with access to forms and knowledge base articles, you can begin using dynamic translation. Abel, a French-speaking employee, logs an incident. The incident is received by an English-speaking agent. She'll translate the short description to see what the employee is requesting. Then, she'll post a comment requesting additional information. Abel goes into the incident, translates the comment, and gives the agent more information. The agent translates the new comment and is able to move forward in troubleshooting the employee's black screen. Dynamic translation also works for email. Go to the activity area. When Abel first submitted an incident, an email was created. Let's translate it to English. To translate a knowledge article, open a published article and under the Related Links area, click Translate. Select the preferred language and translate. The article is duplicated in the native language. Now you can publish the translated article as a new article. You are not limited to using the translation services available in the base platform. You can build an integration with any translation service of your choice. Same with experiences. Developers can use APIs for dynamic translation to build custom experiences for platform and portal user interfaces. Note there are some limitations with respect to supported languages depending on the translator and text length. See product documentation for more information. Use dynamic translation the next time you open an incident or create a knowledge article. Or watch the rest of the Dynamic Translation video series to learn more about setting up the plugin and integrating your translation service provider. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.